Stage 1 FTS is saved.
Stage 1 entry burn startup.
And there you can visually see on your left-hand screen, the entry burn has begun on that first stage. This will last about 20 seconds or so long.
Stage 1 entry burn shutdown.
Stage 2 FTS is saved.
And that concludes the entry burn on the first stage. And really cool, you can kind of see the grid fins as they rotate to help guide the vehicle back to its landing zone, which again today is a shortfall of gravitas waiting for this booster in the Atlantic Ocean. Stage.
Stage 1 landing burn startup.
There's that call out that the landing burn has begun on first stage. And it looks like we have a live view of the drone ship.
Leg deploy.
And we have touchdown of Falcon 9. And through the cheering, we also heard that call out for SECO 1, which is great news. Our booster landing today marks our 101st overall successful recovery of a first stage. And